we are. So some people say he's a little bit Marmite. I just think he's a bit of a character myself, really.
Order! 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 Zen! Restraint! Patience! Order!
So, ladies and gentlemen, what do you think we should do with him? Should we let him have it? Those that want you to have it, say aye.
Order! Order! So the eyes have it. The eyes have it.
So what should we do then? Should we let him have it? Let's let him have it then. Oh yeah, he's on fire, okay.